Customizing the default 2011 WordPress theme. How to add a banner image, kind of like a banner advertisement, for example, to your header area. Now, this is the theme before, and this is the theme after. Now let's take a look at the codes that we're going to use to do this with. Open up our dashboard, go into the Appearance subpanel, click on Editor, and in this instance there's two files that we need to edit. I'm going to go ahead and edit the header.php first. And if you're using a child theme, you can do the same thing there. Just make sure that you have a header.php in your child theme folder, in which case you would pull that into the editor screen and do the editing as I'm about to do. Only in your case, you would use the child themes header.php. And we just open this up, and we're looking for the H group tag, which is about halfway down the scroll bar thingy here. Right here we are, and just before the closing H group tag, that's the one with the slash in front of the H, we want to put our cursor there, hit the return key, so we got a space there, and right above the closing H group tag, we want to paste the code for our banner ad. And in my example, I'm going to be using a banner ad for HostGator. Just as an example, you can use whatever you want. Paste that right in there. And this particular banner ad, as you'll soon see, is 728 pixels wide by 90 pixels high. Let's go ahead and save this or update this file. And once done, we want to head on over to our style.css, which is down here at the bottom. Again, do the same thing if you're using a child theme. You can just edit your style.css within your child theme, scrolling all the way to the bottom. Put your cursor in there, hit the return key a couple of times, and add this code. And as you can see, I've added a comment line here to give you an idea as to what this is about. And there's really not a whole lot of customization that can go on here. So we'll just go ahead and update this file. And this was the demo here, so let's go ahead and close this guy out here. And this is the before we add the code. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. And there we go. And that's how you can add a banner, or as in this case, a banner ad, to your header area. Now there's additional codes that you can use to get rid of all this white space here, or to reduce the size of it a great deal, which would bring this up and give you more content space down here. There's additional codes you can use to reduce the size of your header image, which again would move this all up and give you more content space down here as well. Or you can also bring your menu into your header image, which again would reduce the overall size up here and increase the content area down here, your prime virtual real estate area. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on how you can add a banner to your header area.